Hi all, welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know generative AI models use neural networks to identify the patterns and structures within existing data to generate new and original content? Let's explore some best use case of generative AI and applications. Some best content generation tools in market: ChatGPT, Jasper Chat, and Google Bard. Some best music creation tools: Soundful, Amper Music, and AIVA. Some best 3D modeling tools: Alpha 3D and 3D FY AI. Best video creation and editing tools: Descript, Expression, and Synthesia. Best game development tools: Charisma AI, Unity machine learning agents. Some best chatbot and virtual assistant tools: Siri and Google Assistant. Image creation and editing tools: Adobe Photoshop, Canva. Best code generation tools: OpenAI, Copilot, and Codex. Some best art generation tools: Dell E2 and Night Cafe. Best voice generation tools: Replica Studios, Lovo, and Synthesis. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.